Hi everyone, I am Sivadarshini. I am studying 6th standard in Sri Mahalakshmi Metric Higher Secondary School. Today we gather to raise awareness about brain tumors, a condition that affect thousands of people worldwide. Brain tumors are abnormal skill growth in the brain that can be begin educate ourselves and other about brain tumor symptoms and risks, change in vision such as double or blurry vision, hearing or smelling problem, loss of balance or trouble walking, weakness in part of the body, prevention and risk reduction, encourage health lifestyle habits, example regular exercise, balanced diet, discuss the importance of protecting the head from journey, provide information on reducing expressive to reduction and radiation and chemicals. Together we can make a difference and improve the lives of those impacted by brain tumors. Thank you.